Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, area and perimeter. So before start this chapter, we have to understand what is the meaning of that one, area and perimeter. So perimeter, the length of the boundary of a closed figure is called the perimeter. Suppose you have some closed figure like that one or like that one, so or like that one. So if you count this total length, if you find this total length or this total length or this total length, this is known as what? Perimeter. Area, the amount of the surface figure which cover is called area. Suppose you have one figure and how much amount is cover? This much surface is cover. So this is known as what? Its area. If we have one figure and you have to count how much surface this figure cover, this much surface figure cover. So this is known as what? Area. So this length of the boundary is known as what? Perimeter, and this inside space is known as what? Area. One again I am telling, the length of the outside boundary is known as what? Perimeter. The inside space is known as what? Area. Now we have to study some formula. Rectangle is a figure just like that one. It is length, it is breadth. All of you know opposite sides are equal, so this is equal to this and this is equal to this. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? That is 2 into L plus B, and area of rectangle length into breadth. This is the formula of rectangle. You have to remember perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B and area of rectangle L into B. Now come on the square. Square has 4 equal sides. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is known as 4 into side, and area, what is the formula of area? 5 into side. Now come on the triangle. What is the perimeter of triangle? Triangle of perimeter is sum of all sides. Suppose this side is A, this side is B, this side is C. So it is A plus B plus C, or you have to write sum of all sides. And if you want to study about what? Area. So area of triangle is not in your syllabus, but I am telling you. The formula of area of triangle is half into base into height. What is the formula of triangle? Half into base into height. But this type of question is not come in your syllabus. So you have to remember only perimeter of triangle, that is sum of all sides, or A plus B plus C if A, B, C are the side of the given triangle. Now come on question number first, 9th A. Find the perimeter of the given figure. You have a one blackboard. You have given length here and breadth here. So this long side is known as length, this side known as breadth. So length 175, breadth 105. What is the formula of the perimeter of the rectangle? This shape of this rectangle is like a rectangle, blackboard. So you have to write perimeter of blackboard is equal to 2 into L plus B. Just put the value 2 into L means 175 and breadth means 105. Now according to board mass, you have to solve first bracket. 175 by 105 you get 280. When you multiply 2 by 280 you get 560. So perimeter of the blackboard is 560, and in the last you have to write centimeter. In perimeter you write centimeter, and in area you have to write centimeter square. What I am telling? In perimeter you have write only centimeter or meter, and in area you have to write meter square or centimeter square with the unit. Now you have a one book. Length is 50 and breadth is 27. Length is always greater and breadth is small. So what is the perimeter of the book? That is 2 into L plus B, because the shape of the book is a rectangle. Then just put the value 2 into L is 50 and B is 27. When you add it becomes 77. When you multiply by 2 you get 154. So perimeter of the book is 154 centimeter. Now come on, see, one window type figure is given. It is just like a square. So side of the square is what? 72. So perimeter of the square is 4 into side is a formula. This is 4 into 72. When you multiply you get 288. So your answer is 288 centimeter. Similarly, 2 more figures are given in your book. You have to solve by yourself in homework. Now come on F1. F figure you have one triangle 11, 9, 19, 23. The perimeter of triangle is sum of all sides. So first side is 11, second is 23 and then 19. Now you have to add 23 and 19 become 42 plus 11, it becomes 53. So your answer is 53 centimeter. Now come on question number 2. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose dimensions are given below. In the question you have given some figure, and in the given question you have to give in a one rectangle. So in the first part L is given, breadth is given, you have to find the what? Perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Just write 2 here, L value 7 and B value 4, add become 11. Now multiply by it become 22. So your answer is 22 centimeter. Now come on B part. L is 18 centimeter, breadth is 11 meter, sorry they are meter. So perimeter of rectangle is what? L2 into L plus B. Just put the value and solve, you get 58. So your answer is 58 meter. Writing centimeter because if they are meter then write here meter, if they are centimeter write here centimeter. So I think they are meter, so you have to write here only meter. Now come on L part, C part. L is equal to 13, B is equal to 5. So perimeter of rectangle is what? 2 into L plus B is the formula. Just write the value of L place 13, B place 5 because the value of L is 13 and value of B is 5. Now add it become 18, 13 plus 5 18. Now 18 into 2 you get 36. 2 into L plus B, one again I am telling 2 into L plus B. So there is no sign between 2 and a bracket. So by default always multiply present here. So you have to write 2 here, here multiply because no sign is there, and L plus B. So it becomes 36 centimeter. Similarly D, E, F part you have to do by yourself in homework. L is given, breadth is given, you have to find the perimeter. Complete the given table. A table is given, some information is given. I am writing here this information as a part. In a part perimeter is given 96 centimeter, length you don't given, breadth you have to find out. Now just write the formula. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. What is the perimeter? You get 96. 2 as it is here, multiply because no sign is there. L value you don't know and B is 23. Now all of you know that rule, when one side move to other side then their sign will be changed. Here this number is here in multiply, when you move to this side become divide. Right? So you cut, it become what? 48. 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 16. If you don't know how to cut then divide 96 by 2, what you get? 48. So now this 23 comes this side, it become minus. So what is the value of L? L is become 25 centimeter. Now come on B part. Here perimeter is given 180, length is given 50. You have to find the what? Breadth. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Just put the value. Rectangle perimeter is 180, length now given 50, breadth you find out. Now this 2 come this side and come in divide because here in multiply, here become divide. When you cut 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 0, it become 90. Now it here become 50, this 50 come this side become minus. So breadth become what? 40 centimeter. Similarly this 2 part you have to do. In the first part we have to find the breadth. Here it is just like the same. In the first part you have to find the length, that I also solved. This 2 part you have to do by yourself in homework, same as part B and same as part A as I write here. Find the perimeter of the square whose side is given, you have to find the perimeter. So perimeter of square is 4 into side, put the value of side here 17. Now 17 4 is 68. So your answer is 68 centimeter. Now side is 3, so perimeter of square is 4 into side, 4 into 3 become 12 centimeter. Simply you put the value in the formula and calculate and you will get your answer. Very easy question. Come on, see, side is equal to 80 centimeter, so perimeter of square is 4 into side, value is 80, just you multiply you get 320 centimeter. Similarly D, E, F part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now come on 5 part, complete the given table. Table is given, so I am writing here information, but this table is given for square. So perimeter given 40, side of square you have to find out. So what is the formula of perimeter? Which thing is given? You have to write the formula. Perimeter is given, so write perimeter of square is 40. It is given here. What is the formula? 4 into side. Perimeter formula is 4 into side. So in place of perimeter of square, you have to write this value 4 into side is equal to 40. When you this 4 comes this side, become in divide. When you could become 10. So what is the value of side? Is 10 meter. Now come on second one. Perimeter is 96. You have to find the side. So just write perimeter of square is 96. What is the formula of perimeter? 4 into side. This 4 come in this side, divide. When you divide 96 by 4, it become 24. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, carry 1 becomes 16, 4 4 is 16. So side is 24 centimeter. Similarly C and D part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now come on question number 6. Find the perimeter of the triangle whose sides are. Sides are given, you have to find the perimeter. So sides are given. What is the perimeter of triangle? Sum of all sides. You have to add 3 plus 8 plus 10. It become 21. So your answer is 21 centimeter. Now come on B part. Sides are 9, 11, 13. So perimeter of triangle is what? Sum of all sides. You have to add 9 plus 11 plus 13. 9 plus 7 become 20 plus 13 become 33. So your answer is 33 meter. Similarly come on C part. 10, 20, 30. Sum of all sides. 10, 20, 30. You have to add become 60 meter. So your answer is 60 meter. Similarly D, E, F part you have to do by yourself in homework. Just write perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides. Now just add this number 110, 120 and 86. You will get your answer. Simply you have to add nothing else. Just write the formula and then write the value. These questions are same as part A, B and C. So you have to do by yourself in homework. Come on, question number 7. Which of the following has the biggest and the smallest perimeter and find the difference between the two? You have two condition is given. Area of a square of side 9 and a rectangle of length. A square is given, a rectangle is given. The question said which of the following has the biggest and the smallest perimeter. You tell which figure has biggest and the smallest perimeter, and you have to find the difference also. So first you find the perimeter of a square is 4 into side is 9, it become 36 centimeter. So perimeter of square is what? 36 centimeter. When you multiply you will get, and you have to write the rectangle. So rectangle, perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Just put the value of length 8, breadth 4, 8 plus 4 12, 12 2 is 24, it becomes 24. Now which figure has greater perimeter? Obviously square was 36, and which figure is smallest? That is rectangle. And what is the difference? Difference with minus. You have to subtract this one, you will get your answer. So right here, okay, one more figure is given. A triangle with side this and this and this. So perimeter of triangle is sum of all side. You have to add 10 plus 20 plus 12, you get 30 plus 12, you get 42. So perimeter of triangle is what? 42. So so now just comparison, it become 36, 24 and 42. 3 perimeter are there. So which figure has greatest perimeter? Triangle. So triangle has the biggest perimeter, that is 42 centimeter, and which figure has the smallest? Smallest what? 24, that is rectangle. So rectangle has the smallest perimeter, that is 24. And what is the difference in perimeter? You have to subtract 42 minus 24, you get 18 centimeter. So what is the difference? Difference is 18 centimeter. So your exercise 9A completed. Now I am starting exercise 9B. Find the perimeter of the given picture. Picture is given where length is given and breadth is given. It is length, it is breadth. So you have to find the what? Perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle, by mistake I am writing here reverse. You write here length and here write here breadth. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. Previously you have studied now. So just put the value. 17 plus 7 24. When you multiply you get 48. So 48 meter is your answer. Now come on B part. 11 6. 11 6 is given. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Just put the value, add and then multiply. 17 into 2 you get 34 is your answer. Now come on, see, side is given, so it is a square. So perimeter of square is, for the formula of perimeter of square, 4 into side. 4 into what is the value of side is 90. When you multiply you get 360. So answer is 360 centimeter. Now come on question number 2. Find the area of the rectangle. Now in the previous exercise you find the perimeter. Now in this exercise you study how to find the area. So find the area of the rectangle whose dimension are given below. Length is given, breadth is given. You have to find the what? Area. So what is the area of rectangle is given? Just write the formula of area of rectangle is L into B. What is the length is 14, breadth is 5. Just put the value. 14 into 5 you get 70. So you have to write 70 centimeter square. Because I told in the area you have to write square here always. In the perimeter you write simply, but in the area you have to write one square. Second one, length is given, breadth is given. So area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Just put the value of L here and B here. Now just calculate 9 4 is 36. You get 36 centimeter square. C part, area, length is given, breadth is given. So area of rectangle is L into B. L is 11, B is 2 3. It becomes 33 centimeter square. So similarly you have to do D, E and F part by yourself in homework by putting the formula and put their value. Complete the given table. A table is given. So I am writing here the part by part. Area is given, L is given, breadth you have to find out. So it is a what? Rectangle. This table is for rectangle. So write the area of rectangle is equal to what? 96 centimeter square. What is the formula of area? L into B is equal to 96. L you have 12, B you don't know. When you find the value of B, this 12 move to this side, because here in multiply, here become divide. So when you divide 96 by 12, 12 1 is 12, 12 8 is 96. What is the value of breadth? Breadth become 8 meter, because area in meter square, so this also become in meter. Now come on B part. Here given area 210, length you don't give, breadth you have to find. In the previous question length is given, breadth you have to find out. In this question is reserved, length is given, breadth you have to find out. So area of the rectangle is 210 meter square. Just write the formula L into V. Now just write L as it is, breadth is 10. When you find the value of L, this 10 move to this side, become in divide. Cut 0 by 0, it become 21. So your answer is 21 meter, because area is given in meter square. Similarly C and D part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now come on question number 4. Find the area of the square whose side is. Now you have given a one side, you have to find the area. So area of a square is equal to side into side. What is the value of side? 6. You have to write 6 into 6. it becomes 36 and side is centimeter, so area becomes centimeter square. Now come on B part, side is 17 centimeter, so area of square is equal to side into side. What is the value of side? 17, 7 into 70, you get 289 centimeter square. Now C part, side is given 13 meter, area of square is equal to side into side, 13 into 30, it becomes 169 meter square. Similarly, D, E and F part you have to do by yourself in homework. They are very easy questions, students. You have to just write the formula first and then put their value and calculate, you will get your answer. If you don't know the formula, first learn the formula first, then you have to solve, because these questions are totally formula based. If you know the formula, you can solve it very easily. So nothing is difficult, they are very easy one if you know the formula. Now find the area of the following figure. Figure is given like that one. So it is 8 given, it is 3, it is 5, it is 8, it is 3, it is 11. So what I do, I just join this line and they form two rectangle. I write here first rectangle and second rectangle. Now for the first rectangle, what is the length? Length is 8 and what is the breadth? Breadth is 3. And for the second rectangle, length is 8 and breadth is 3. So I am writing here, for the first rectangle length is 8, breadth is 3, and for the second rectangle length is 8, breadth is 3. So for the first rectangle I take small length breadth, and for the second rectangle I take large length and capital breadth. So what is the area of the figure? If I find the area of this figure, first rectangle and then second rectangle, if I add both, I get this figure or not? If I find the area of first this figure and then area of this figure, when I add this both figure, we get the area of this figure. So you write here, area of the given figure is what? Area of first rectangle plus area of second rectangle. Just write the formula, L into B small and capital, just put the value 24, 24, it becomes 48 meter square. So what is the area of the given figure? Is 48 meter square. Now come on the second figure. Second figure is given like that one. So what I do, first I join this line by itself. Now I see it become 4, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2. If it is square, it become 4, it is also become 4. Now just calculate. You have to take this second one, they take first one. So what is the side of the first square? That is 4. And what is the length? Length is 8, breadth is 2, it is given. So right here, for the first square, side is 4 meter, and for the second rectangle, length is 8 and breadth is 2. So first find the area of the square, second find the area of the rectangle. When you add, you get the area of the given figure. So area of the given figure is equal to area of first square plus area of second rectangle. What is the area of the square? Side into side, rectangle is equal to L into B. Now put the value 4 into 4 here, 8 into 2, it becomes 4, 4, 4 is 16, 8 to the 16, it becomes 32 meter square. So what is your answer? 32 meter square. So I am completing this exercise 9A and 9B. In the next class, I am completing your exercise 9C and brush up once again, because all these chapter come in your half yearly examination. So student, they are very easy question, I told you. First you learn the formula. One, again I am remind you the formula. What is the formula? Area of a perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, and area of rectangle is L into B. And what is the square? Perimeter 4 into side, area side into side, and the rectangle you have to learn only the perimeter sum of all side. So if you know the formula, first you read the question, write the formula, put their value, you will get your answer. Simply calculation is there, nothing else. They are a very easy chapter, mass gaining chapter, you know. Simply you get the answer by learning the formula. So first learn the formula and then read the question, put their value, calculate, and you will get your answer. So any student, if you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Thank you.